Hello students, let's see in this video a short topic that is functional aphonia. It is also called as adductor palsy. So what is functional aphonia? Here there will be a sudden loss of voice, or the voice is reduced to a whisper, but there will be a no hoarseness of voice. The etiological factors, if you see, it usually occurs from age of 15 years onward and usually affects the female. Another factor, that is emotional shock. So the functional aphonia often follows emotional shock. In clinical feature, the symptoms, the main symptom will be the aphonia, where the voice will be suddenly lost and it will be reduced to a whisper, but it is not accompanied by hoarseness. On taking history, you find that there is emotional disturbance and there will be a pain in the throat, may be felt by the patient. The signs will be present here are the vocal cords are normal, but they do not come together on phonation, or it immediately fall apart. The patient in general may appear anxious and depressed. In the differential diagnosis, one condition is cerebral concussion. It may also lead to similar situation, but this condition returns to normal rapidly. Another thing in the differential diagnosis is aphasia, but in aphasia there will be other neurological features are present. Now coming to the treatment, one treatment is by persuasion, in which the patient is asked to cough. The cough is utilized to pronounce the words like a and ba, etc., and the voice may be restored. Apart from that, speech therapy is also very helpful. Shock treatment like Faradic simulation of larynx or intravenous injection of calcium gluconate give with the encouraging suggestions, and it may also help. Psychotherapy is required for stubborn cases, and the prognosis is good, but recurrence are likely. So that is the all about a functional aphonia.